Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. How are you doing? Yeah, today it's kind of a cooking vlog. So I'm gonna make Indian food because as is my duty today. I've been assigned for a dinner, so I'm gonna make Indian food. It's dal and a rice. It's kind of a staple food in India. It's really simple and easy, and it's quite filling and healthy as well. So I will show you the ingredients first. So as you can see, I'm gonna make the red lentils. In Sweden it's called rå dalinser. You can get it in any of the store, Ica Village Scoop. And I'm using a bowl of a basmati rice, and we need 2 tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, some ginger, 1 onion. And for spices we need cumin powder, half a teaspoon, coriander powder, half a teaspoon, turmeric, half a teaspoon, 4 cardamoms, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and red chili powder is all about your taste, and you can add salt and pepper according to your taste as well. And we need some olive oil for cooking. We're gonna wash our lentils. Then we have to boil this lentil for almost 15-20 minutes until it gets soft. So we have to add 3 times the water, whatever lentils you took. So I took 1 cup of that, so I'm gonna add 3 cups of water into that. So I added 3 cups of water, and then we add some olive oil, little bit, a little bit of salt, and then wait for 15 minutes until it boils. While the lentil is boiling, I'm gonna soak my basmati rice in the water. Yeah, it's good to soak the rice for at least 15 minutes so they get nice and fluffy when you cook them. As you can see, I chopped very fine garlic and ginger, onions and tomatoes. And then the lentils are already started boiling. Wait until they are soft. Now I'm gonna start the base for the dal, which is called Tadka in Hindi or Punjabi. And then we're gonna make the tadka, the base, and then put it in the dal, and the dal is ready. So I'm gonna start with the process. So it's really simple. We take a pan, put some olive oil, a little bit more. That's good enough. And as the oil is heating, we're gonna add our cardamom and cumin seed and cook for almost 2 to 3 minutes until they are little bit brown. You have to keep an eye they don't get burned. You can hear the sizzling sound. You see, if they start releasing their oil, the cumin seed means they're ready, and then we'll add our onions. Now we can add our onions, and then we're gonna brown them like little bit golden brown, and then we add our ginger and garlic in it. As you can see, my onions are frying. I'm gonna add some salt in it, half a teaspoon according to your taste. That's gonna increase the process of onions to get brown faster, as salt takes away all the moisture. Wait another little bit, maybe a few minutes until they are golden brown, and then we add our garlic and ginger. As you can see, my onions are golden brown, so I'm going to add ginger and garlic in it. And then we fry them for another few minutes because garlic need to cook a little bit, otherwise it's gonna be a little bit like a very stronger. If you cook for a while, the strong taste will go away and it will keep the flavors. As you can see, my lentils are soft and cooked, so I'm gonna turn it off and keep it at the side. As you can see, garlic is brown as well, so we're gonna add our spices in it. And just give it a stir. And if you see if it's starting getting burned, add some water. And now we're gonna add our tomatoes. So now we're gonna cook these tomatoes in this spice mixture until they will get softer, and then the oil will start coming up. That means it's ready, and then we'll add that mixture into the dal and then cook separately. So now we have to wait until the tomatoes are cooked. Or you can say maybe another 10 minutes, but it's better you cover it so it will cook faster. And make sure you keep the heat to medium so it doesn't get burnt, and then just cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. And don't forget to stir it so it doesn't stick on the bottom. Here you can see that tomatoes are starting to getting softer. We still need to cook more until the oil starting to getting up. So we wait another few minutes. So while the dal mixture is getting ready, we're gonna prepare for the rice. So the soaked rice, I think they're done. So we're gonna take the water off and then just clean the rice, wash them with the water. We must wash the rice. So you rinse them until all the white water will start going off. As you can see, the oil is starting to get up and all the water is evaporated. Now I think it's ready to mix that mixture into the dal. As you can see, I added the mixture in it and I used a little bit of the water to clean the pan and added it in. Now we just have to boil this dal for another 15 minutes and it's ready to serve. Okay, now I'm gonna start the process for the rice. I'm just gonna cook a simple rice. I'm just gonna boil them. So with the basmati rice, it's a double the proportion what you have. So if you took 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water and a little bit of oil, olive oil and some lemon juice. That's it. So as you can see, I took 2 bowls of water and put a tablespoon of olive oil, and you can add some salt. And then we're just gonna add our washed rice. Some lemon juice, citron juice, you can buy anywhere. And then let it cover for 15 minutes until the water is evaporated. As you can see, my dal is ready to serve. You can add a pinch of garam masala if you have, or I don't have, but it's optional for more flavor. Or you can add some fresh coriander or some frozen coriander. As I don't have fresh, I'm using frozen. Let's take the rice. Okay, as you can see, the water is almost evaporated. We're gonna make it maybe leave for another 5 minutes and then turn it off. So now our food is ready. Rice and dal. Under 30 minutes. Quick and easy.
What?
Hello! Now kids just get back from school. As you can see, it's still 4 p.m. but it is dark. Yes, in Sweden it gets dark at 3.
Why are you filming?
I'm recording a vlog. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Here we go.
Hello?
And where is my little monster? Hello. How was your day, Jaden?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Oh, I forgot to say hi. Hi.
Ge den ut med pennan.
How was your day?
Good.
Okay, now she back to her room, straight to the iPad.
Ja, men det får ligga här ute.
Jaden. See you at the dinner. So this is the final product. Dal, rice, with some salad.
Den kom då.
Alright, so time to eat this food.
Ge den kommer till dig.
Me and Lena will eat that, but kids, they don't like Indian food, so they're eating corn. And then we eating this.
Kan du hämta en kniv i den?
Ja.
En kniv som man skär.
Alright, the taste test. What do you think, Lena?
Very nice.
Nice? Not spicy?
That's good.
Tastes like my mom's dal?
No.
Or my mom cooked better or I cook
Yeah.
better?
Your mom cooks
Oh
better.
yeah.
Actually, your sister makes nice dal.
Better than my mom.
No, but your sister makes really nice one.
Mm-hmm.
What if you're so
So I'm gonna enjoy my dal and rice.
rude because he said we have to be
Imsha is a bit cranky because
She's hungry.
she's hungry and she's not eating my
Du kan ta
dal.
bort telefonen.
Jaden is not eating my dal, but Mama loves it. And Papa loves
Nej,
it.
ät och så använd den.
So we're gonna enjoy this food and see you guys in the next vlog. Hey do.